How to convert multiple worksheet into single PDF. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here and simply in the search box type Excel into PDF. Then after you will see a lot of websites providing you the free service. Simply click on any one of the website and after that you will see the option of select Excel files. Simply click on it and convert each of your Excel file which you want to combine and make a single PDF. After the Excel files has been converted into PDF files, you simply need to click on Merge PDF at the top tab. You will see the Merge PDF option beside the I Love PDF logo. Simply click on it and then you will see the option to select your folders and file which you want to complete in a single PDF. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to convert multiple worksheets into a single PDF. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.